Hello friends, welcome to my channel Aparna Arts. You are seeing design for the blouse. I do order works and take online classes for professional courses. I teach oils, acrylic, tanjore, 3D murals, 3D flowers, arrangata flowers, types of roses, chrysanthemums, birds, faces and many more. And I teach freehand painting course, and I have freehand painting course book with notes and techniques of painting. It is of 65 pages, and those interested can contact me. My details are in this video and below this video in the description. For designer blouses, you have to first draw the design on the blouse, then you can paint with the color. I have taken black color, and for other contrast color I have taken bronze fabric color. I have short and long courses, advanced and basic courses starting from 500,000 onwards. This is tanjore painting on fabric, and this course is of 1000. These two designs will be taught. I teach tanjore on board, advanced and basic. Basic is 4000, where this pot of butter is taught, and advanced is for 4000. who are interested in learning professional artworks, do contact me. My details are in this video and below this video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on freehand painting and new techniques in painting. Keep watching. See you. Bye bye.